Used by major organizations across the world, Fugro's vision-based system QuickVision is transforming the way we position and inspect subsea structures. The system's remote sensing technology offers an interactive experience with real-time measurements and increased spatial awareness. QuickVision improves staff safety and reduces vessel time because it does not need hardware to be installed directly onto structures. And its touchless inspection and monitoring significantly reduces project complexity, accelerates project turnaround, and allows operations to be undertaken in a wider weather window. Using the power of augmented reality, QuickVision provides first-time right positioning and accurate asset installation, without the need to deploy physical marker buoys. Pattern tracking technology enables it to accurately track patterns adhered directly on the structure without expensive, bulky asset-mounted sensors. Relative positioning between structures does not require precise positioning equipment for accurate asset placement, and a patented augmented reality toolset enables it to measure subsea heading, altitude, depth, and position of structures. Fugro, unlocking insights from geodata for a safe and livable world.